Hey guys, back with another video. Today I will be showing you the restoration of my Oreck magnesium. So here it is, straight out of the Goodwill, and you can see how dirty it is. I paid $10 for it. Here it is on the back. It is very dirty. Here's the bottom. You can tell they used it and messed it up. It's really, really gross. Lots of crevices to clean. The bag was also very dirty and smelled like dog. It does work. Here it is after I took the bag off of it. So, I have figured out the problem. It's clogged. No airflow whatsoever coming out of that. So, we got the Panasonic. We're about to suck this thing and see what we can get out. So, it's got a little bit more airflow, but still clogged. So, let's take it apart more. Upon closer inspection, it is very, very clogged. So, the entire fan chamber was full of crap. People spend $600 on a vacuum and then give it to Goodwill just because they sucked up a little bit too much dog hair. Wow. Now it is unclogged. I got a whole bunch of crap out of this entire area right here. They were sucking up zip ties and a whole bunch of gum wrappers and stuff, but it's working now. Yeah, there's still crud in there, but it's basically almost done. Alright, in the next clip, I wiped it down, but then I soon realized it needed to be washed. So here it is, and also that entire fan chamber. This is what was full of dirt. All of it was clogged. So, here it is. And then I put it together. But also, here's the fan. It was in great condition because they just used it for probably only a week and messed it up. And then left it in their garage. And this is the 2022 model. Here's the fan. Pretty messed up because they were sucking up stuff they shouldn't have. And here it is, all put together and clean. All nice and clean, and all the stickers are still on there. There are some scrapes, though. Well, I hope you guys liked this video, and there will probably be more ASMR vacuuming of the Oreck magnesium, and probably a video on the Panasonic because I have not made a video on that yet. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video.